Construction is underway on Bowling Green's first ever joint fire and police training center. City officials held a ceremonial groundbreaking for the $16 million facility in May. Of the $16 million, $10 million in funding came from the Federal American Rescue Plan Act of 2021. Upon completion next year, the Bowling Green Law Enforcement Academy will move to the training center next year. Bowling Green residents can expect to see some new faces in the police department this fall. Bowling Green Law Enforcement Academy Class 6 is in session with graduation planned for September 29th at the Capitol. 7 people are currently in the class learning to become police officers. The city is still actively recruiting officer candidates. If you are interested in joining an upcoming academy class, visit joinbgky.org for additional information. There are more than 1,200 designated free parking spaces in downtown Bowling Green. In addition to street parking, there is a free downtown parking garage within a short walking distance of downtown's entertainment venues. When parking, check to make sure you are parked in a free public lot, unless you plan to park in one of the privately owned paid parking lots. Paid lots are marked with signage explaining how to pay. This has been your Bowling Green News Minute.